Okay, I'm now recording your frizzy hair.
It's not frizzy, it's curly.
Well, it looks frizzy. Well, now it looks straight, sort of. Ah! You're not supposed to... Ugh.
I forgot about that.
Oh my god, your hair was like smoking. I wish you could see it in the camera. Oh. Ah! Ew. That's smoky, fogging up the camera. Ah! Oh my gosh, that almost touched me. And how hot is it? Look on the thermometer thingy. Oh my... Yeah, that's the last thing I want touching me. 450 degrees. Oh, you can see it on the camera. Hopefully it doesn't set off a smoke alarm. Oh, it smells bad. I don't care if